How to create text to image on Fotor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So basically we're in this home page. So this is the place where you can find different tools and different softwares for your images and videos. Here on the left top, you can find an icon of text to image. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can add your text and it will easily convert it to the image. Here on the top, you can select the models, and here on the bottom, you can enter the prompt and easily use it. You can even have reference to the photos that you like. So simply enter the prompt that you want. Now it will take some time and you can easily generate the image that you want. At last, you can download it and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.